Alright everybody, welcome back to Stonkanacci. And if you're new, please subscribe. Do this every weekday. Anyway, we got well, I don't know what that was. Anyway, we got tomorrow's September 29th anniversary of the '08 market crash. So that'd be pretty sweet, but it's actually today was the anniversary, and it played out pretty good if you were involved in Tesla. So this user tack to cover, he said he's been short the whole year and been doing pretty good. I've been long the whole year, so my graph kind of looks like going down this way, but it is what it is. This guy, Addiction Efficient 590, says he's done. He's down 99.9%. But all he has to do is do the exact opposite of what he's been doing, and he'd be up 100%. That's facts. Volkswagen is financially ready for electrification. So Germans are about to get in on it. Tesla sales grew 63% year over year, and Elon's saying the Cybertruck's waterproof, as it appears he's peeing through a beer can. So that's pretty sweet. Tesla Optimus robot to come to life tomorrow. Man, I hope so, dude. I'll be watching it. Might try to get like the cliff notes for you guys, or the highlights. Tesla down a solid 6.8%. So hopefully that was all she had, and maybe some sideways tomorrow, hopefully. But Apple also down 5%, and the other electric vehicle stocks are pretty wrecked too. So Google Trends looking pretty rough. Fear and Greed's at a 19, which you'd think it'd be worse, but it ain't. So here we're looking at Tesla on the daily. Still a potential inverse head and shoulders on the daily. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, with a move pointing up to about 500 to 600. So, but we did reject the 200 daily and also the daily 21. So when you reject the daily 21, almost always dumps, and it looks like we got that move today. So looking at the weekly, got the red dot. That's pretty bad. Very bad, really, unless you're short. 2 weeks coming, so, and the 3 week is green dot. So if we lose the 3 week, which will be coming in tomorrow with the monthly, so it is kind of do or die time with the stocks on if it's full on recession or if it's going to bottom out here. So and then we got volatility ticking up. We've been watching that for a while as we go down, so probably follow through tomorrow. 2 to down slide. Looks like we got a bear pole, bear flag, so kind of take the move on that. 13%. So 13% would put us somewhere around 250 if it does go down. This guy right here. So not so good, but some hopium is the 1 hour is about to put in some bullish divergence. So we'll see how that goes. But honestly, it's too hard to call it because the AI day is tomorrow, and I think it's going to go, like we were saying here, probably sideways. So if I stick to my guns, it would pump tomorrow back up to probably 280. But yeah, very unclear in the charts right now. But looking at the weekly, you're dead in the middle of the RSI, which is at a 50 pretty much. So the edge really isn't there. So let's see, in 2 hour, put in a hodl, you're short, but that's probably played out. So shoot, I don't know. We're gonna have to go to SPY for some direction here because it's not really showing it to us there. SPY's looking even worse than Tesla. Got every time frame red up to like the 8-month. So that's whoa, that's pretty bad. So we got an 8-month red dot. Last time we got one of those this high up was right here in 2000 before yeah, it went down to the orange moving average. So I don't really know what the orange, oh, that's the 32 EMA. So man, if we went down there, dude, that'd be bad. That would be bad. But you know, you get them sometimes and it doesn't. But pink in the background with a red dot was right here, and it pretty much went as low as it did right now. So looking at the weekly though, still an inverse head and shoulders potential on the RSI at the 200 weekly. So we bottomed right here in 2018 off the 200 weekly. Right here, February 2016, it was a bottom, and pretty much right here in 2020. So, I mean, it did go below it, but you know, the circuit breakers went off and everybody was panicking right here. So I don't think the government's going to let that happen again. But, you know, they did some pretty stupid stuff, raising interest rates. But, you know, every time we've got the red in the background on the weekly death cross, the 2155, it's been a bottom, a bottom, a bottom. So I don't think this time's going to be different. If it is, the one time that it wasn't the bottom, right here, full on recession. So I mean, if we break, oh, and right here, full on recession. So, and right here, bottom, 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 bottom. I guess it was a recession in the 80s. That's kind of before my time, but you guys get the hint. It's either the bottom or the recession. So y'all tell me in the comments. See you tomorrow. Hopefully it's better news.